Today I am making 3 DIY projects in an open collaboration titled Remembering Halloween. Stay tuned! Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. October brings Halloween and it is also Alzheimer's Awareness Month. So this month in our DIY open collaboration, we were challenged to create at least 3 DIYs that incorporated both Halloween and the color purple for Alzheimer's awareness. This collaboration is hosted by Mama Mia DIYs and So Kate and co-hosted by myself. And I would love for you to check out their channels and the playlist in my description box below. In this video, I am making a sign for outside, I am making this, and I am also making a ghost. So for my first DIY, I wanted to make a sign to put outdoors, and I got this sign at Michael's, and I was not 100% sure what I wanted to write on the sign. I put a lot of thought into it. At first I was going to do a hocus pocus theme and do hocus pocus type things on the sign. However, at the last minute I decided just to come up with just some different things, and I have like broom parking, and booze bar and haunted house, just some random Halloween type things. And I measured out each little part, and then I kind of did like a little line so I would have an idea of kind of where to put my letters. Other than that, I did this free-handed, and I did it with purple paint. I was channeling my inner Bob Ross and saying there are no accidents as I was doing this, because I was terrified that I was going to mess up with my just doing this free-handedly. I did have some stencils, but they just were not going to work, and I thought it would just be easier to do it free-handed. I think it turned out really cute, and I kind of like that I did it free-handed because it made it more realistic looking, and it actually took 2 coats of this purple paint, and I just think it makes it look kind of old and just kind of neat. And I ended up actually putting it out back in my pool area, and I just think it's really cute. But there's so many ideas that you could put on a sign like this. You know, it has the 5 different things. You could come up with your own sayings. You could go with a theme, like if you were having a party, like, you know, a hocus pocus party or something like that, or even a birthday party. There are tons of things that you can do with a sign like this. And if you're not comfortable freehanding, then you can always use a stencil to do it as well. The second thing that I made, I ended up making a sign for one of my friends, and that is what her last name starts with, the letter C. And basically I had this inexpensive ghost wooden cutout, and I just took some white paint and I painted it outside. It was a beautiful fall day, so I painted it white, and I did a couple of coats so that it would stay on good. Originally I was going to put on the sign fabulous and make the boo stand out. Then I decided I wanted to put be your own kind of beautiful. And then lastly, I decided that I was going to put welcome booze, and you will see me doing that in just a minute at my desk. When I take it inside, I use a Sharpie and I write welcome booze. I did not like how that looked, so I ended up just painting over it white and then just taking some black paint and a stencil and putting the C on there. So this one kind of, like, I thought it was going to be the easiest one to do, but it kind of ended up being the one that took the most kind of thinking and that I had to kind of go back and redo. Also, I did add a purple ribbon to the top of it for Alzheimer's awareness. I could not figure out where to include the purple because I did not want to put it in the writing, but I kind of like the ghost just painted white and plain like it was. But you could hang it on a door, you could put it somewhere. You could hang it somewhere. You could put it up on like a plate stand and display it somewhere. You can just do many things with it. But this is where I did put Welcome Boo. But again, I did not like that, so I completely changed my mind and just put the letter C, as you're going to see here in a minute. Here is the C. The third thing that I made was a cauldron. Again, I was very excited to do this one. Did it turn out like I expected? No. I actually have these little purple miniature lights that I was going to use to make it light up. However, it was just too many lights. It was too stressful, so I ended up just taking the lights away completely. They do make purple tea lights, and I wanted to use the purple again for the Alzheimer's awareness. However, the purple tea lights were $20, and I could not see spending $20 just to have the purple tea lights, so I ended up foregoing that, and I will go to the Dollar Tree and just buy some tea lights for this later that are just clear. And I just took these small little clear white Christmas ornaments that I got from Hobby Lobby, and they were on clearance, or they were on sale as well. I think they were like 50% off, and I put them in the cauldron, and I hot glued some of them so that they would stay like they were running down the side. And then to add that purple touch, I just took some purple ribbon and I made a purple bow. Again, it was very simple to do. Did it turn out exactly as I planned? No, but I do like it, and I think once I add the little tea lights that you can find at the Dollar Tree that are inexpensive, I think that will just add and make it look cute. And to match the decor in my house, I might take off the purple ribbon and put like maybe a different type of ribbon on there. But this was a really cute project, and I got the cauldron at Michael's, I believe, and it was inexpensive as well. It was on sale, and so this is how it turned out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and do not forget to check out those links in my description box and the playlist as well, so you can get lots of Halloween inspiration. And remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.